Hello and welcome to Cooking with Layla Vegantopia. Today we're going to be making fried cabbage. Gonna need stewed tomato, an onion, of course cabbage, and vegan butter for the fried cabbage. And for the potatoes, you can have golden potatoes, vegan sour cream, vegan bacon bits, and some cilantro. Alright, so we're going to start by washing the potatoes. Make sure they're all nice and clean. And then we're going to cook those first because it takes longer to make. Then we'll put it in the pot and cover the water all the way up over the potatoes. As you see, I didn't here, so I'm adding a little bit more water.
Bruh.
Before I add that. Alright, chop up the onions and add it to the pot with the butter in the pan first. The whole stick of butter. Then you add in the onions and make sure they get all nice and brown. And while that is cooking, you want to go ahead and chop up the cabbage to go inside of the pan. You can slice it as thin as you want or as thick as you want. Then you're going to add the cabbage in 5 minutes after the onions have been about brown.
Five minutes later.
And then you're going to add the can of stewed tomatoes. You can also add in some vegan sausage. I didn't here. Totally forgot the sausage, but that's okay. It still tastes really good. Just mix it in before I cook it another 20 minutes.
20 minutes later.
Now that the cabbage is done, you want to go ahead and fork the potatoes. Make sure that they're done. And then once they're done, you go ahead and drain the water and then start to smash them. Mash them. The camera died, so I went ahead and added the sour cream, the vegan bacon bits, and the cilantro. We want to go ahead and mix it all in. Make sure it's all nice and mixed in. We'll speed it up here just a bit. Alright, y'all, that's it. Put it on the plate and we're done.
Whatever you